What's going on, everybody? Just want to share with you a purchase that I made. Maybe it might help you out. But I purchased this about 2 weeks ago and it's been doing well. I like it for when I need it. I don't particularly need it right now, but this is the wireless Go microphones. These are wireless Go. Let me straighten that out for you. This is the Rode Wireless Go microphone. And this allows you to connect wirelessly to any recording device for as long as you have a 3.5 millimeter jack. Well, a 3.5 millimeter jack looks like that. This end, that end, the tips. Okay. So this will connect to an iPhone. It'll connect to an Android phone. It'll connect to a GoPro, any recording device that takes a 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay. So what you have is these two right here, and I'm going to put them up. All right. So this is what it is. Let me straighten this out. It's hard to straighten it out when you're on it. Okay. So this is the transmitter right here. This one right here. The levels are green, so you can see the levels on it, but you can't see it because I'm on a green screen. But let me show it to you real quick. I'll show it to you on the other camera. Hopefully it'll pick it up. Let's just see. So you can see the levels right now. I'm not recording on it, but it is picking up the levels because I have the receiver on. So the receiver is picking up my voice and sending it to this, and that's why you're seeing those green levels. But it's not going to show on here because I got a green screen. So let's go over this real quick. So with the Rode Wireless Go, you have the transmitter and you have the receiver. The transmitter takes the signal from the receiver and goes right into your recording. So if you have the transmitter connected to the iPhone or whatever signal you get from this receiver, it will go into this transmitter, and then it will go into your recording device and you'll record it. So let's just say like right here, I'm recording right now and I got this in my way. I don't really like, I don't have a problem with this being in the frame. A lot of people don't. They like to record without the frame, so they don't want anything in the frame beside themselves when they're recording. This right here will help you out because with the Wireless Go, you won't have to have a big microphone. Excuse me. You won't have a big microphone all up in your face, and you get the whole frame is just you or whatever. Some of the features on this thing, if you look at it, let me show you this real quick. They have clips on the back. So let me make this a little bit bigger. So they got clips. So these clips, you can attach one to, I know some of these clips, these clips go on a GoPro. The GoPro has I forgot what they call it, but you can just slide this in. It's made just for clips. If anything has a clip, you can slide it in on your GoPro and it'll hold it. But if you want to, like, let's just say if you want to put this clip on your waist, you can, and then connect a lapel microphone to it. So that's another thing I'm going to get into. But they have clips on it. So if you want to hold it on your waist, you don't have to hold it right here. So that's one thing about it. Two, it has 3 different levels. It has 3 different levels that you can record on. So let me make sure you see this here. All right, so right here, let me focus in on it. You focus. All right, so it's not going to say it, but right here it says dB, right here. And once you hit the dB button, it'll go to, you have 3 different input levels. You have your standard, back itch. You have your standard, I forgot the other 2, but they're louder. But I keep mine on standard because it records well, just fine with the standard input volume. But you got 3 different levels, just in case somebody got a low voice, you can turn it up. And all you got to do is hit this dB button right here. Let me try to do it on this camera here. Let's see here. All right, so right here. I'm not going to be able to do it. But right there on the bottom where it has that on the left hand side, that's the lower volume. Okay, so if I hit this dB button right here, let me show you. Right here, it'll change. Watch. All right, so now it's at a higher level. So if I go to the highest level, now it's at, let me let that focus. Now it's at the highest level. All right, so that's way too loud because you can see I'm clipping. But this thing, let me go back to where I'm at. Okay, so this thing you can change. It has 3 different levels of input volume, which is cool. What else about this thing? Let's see. Okay, so here's another great thing about this. When you turn on the transmitter, okay, so when you turn on this transmitter here, and then you turn on the receiver is what you're going to talk into. And I'll show you right now. Let's see. This is, let me take this off. This here, this is the receiver. So this transmitter will be somewhere on your device. This one here, the transmitter will be on your device. And this will be right here. You can clip it right here, and then it'll, you can talk. You can see that it has a microphone right here, and you can see it. You see it, and you can see it on this display here, like right here, right here. When you talk into that particular mic, it has a built-in mic in it. So when you talk into it, it picks up your voice and goes to the transmitter, which is this here. Okay. Now let's just say if you put this on you, it's going to be kind of heavy and it's going to flap over and it's going to look real sloppy. So what you can do is you can get a lapel mic, a lavalier mic, and stick it in here. All right. As you can see right here, there's a spot on the screen. Look at the receiver here, and you can put a lapel mic in there. And then, so now you can put the lapel mic in and then attach the lapel mic to here where it's not too heavy or nothing like that. So that's one of the good things about it. You don't have to use this part as your receiver. You can actually connect a lapel mic to it and then use it, use the lapel mic. But the sound on it is pretty decent. I'm probably going to do a test for you at the end. But it comes in at $199. Not everybody can afford that. Probably have to save for it, but some people may not, but it does come in at $199. It's pretty decent. It works good. And they say it has to be in line of sight. The transmitter and the receiver, they have to be kind of in line of sight. But I've taken this right here. I turned on the transmitter and I put the receiver on me and I would go outside and it still picks up my voice. So if I was using this right now, I can connect this transmitter to whatever I'm recording on. And then I can just put this on me and I can probably go outside or upstairs and you'll hear me like I'm still here, like I'm right here talking on this microphone, which is pretty good. So I like the wireless microphone. The range is pretty good. I don't have any complaints about it. None whatsoever. It charges. It has an individual charger. So right here, let me see here, like right here. Let me just bring it up to the camera. Focus in. So you can, it has the C-type charger, so you can charge them. Both of them have it. Okay, so it's both of them here. All right. So it's real simple, man. It's just like it's a nice mic to have, especially if you recording outside. It's real good to have. So I just wanted to go over that. I hope I explained it good enough. I've seen people explain this with a lot better, but I'm not getting paid to do this. I just wanted to share it with y'all. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to do a test right now, and then I'll come back. And actually, I'm not going to come back. I'm just going to go ahead and do the test, and you just let me know what you think. All right? I'm out. Oh, let's do the test. I ain't out yet. I got to do the test. All right, let's do the test. Okay, so now I'm using the Rode Wireless Go microphone. This is how it sounds with it active and on. I have the volume at a quarter of a way up. So this is how it sounds. I don't know if you can hear any background noise. It does tend to give a little bit more floor noise than a dynamic microphone because this is a condenser microphone. So you will hear some floor noise. If you have a cloud lifter, somehow you can connect it. If you can somehow connect it to make it work, then that might work for you. But this here is what it sounds like. It's not too bad. I like it for a wireless microphone and a condenser microphone at that, because the condenser will pick up every noise that you hear. So this is what it is. This is the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Need any help with it? You have any questions about it? Hit me up. I'm here. All right, I'm out. Peace.